Hi, and thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name's Jason. Let's take a look at our 2016 Nissan Rogue SL. This vehicle is fully equipped for everything you need to do as far as your daily life, and it's great for a full family. Starting with the top of the lighting areas right here, you can see you get a nice swoosh light. It's your daytime running light, halogen low beams, and a projector auto leveling LED high beam. Just below that, right there, you can see your fog lights. And then as we move around to the side, a set of nice 18-inch alloy wheels with disc brakes all the way around. You can see an integrated turn signal into your body-colored mirror caps right there, and a little button right here for your around view monitor system. Super cool. I'll show you inside the car, but you basically have a bird's eye view for when you're trying to park. Rear privacy tint there helps rear passengers stay nice and cool. And then of course you see you got your roof rails as well. Just below you can see you've also got your fuel filler right there on the passenger side. Pushing this little button right here, it's going to cause your power lift gate to open up. Going to make it real easy to get inside and outside this vehicle. And this one here is equipped with a nice tonneau cover. You got a light over there and your power plugs, and then of course you got nice cargo mats there as well too for added protection in the interior. Push one little button and that hatch is going to close right back up. And you can see a nice side profile for this vehicle. Now let's get a little closer inside here. Starting with this handle right here, you can see that it's got a little black button on it. Press that button once and it's going to unlock the driver's door. Second time, it unlocks all the doors. Third time, you'll hear a double beep and everything's locked back up. So, didn't even have to take out your keys out of your pocket to do that. On the armrest right here, you can see nice soft touch accents with a little bit of leather, and then you can see right here all your window buttons with an automatic window for the drivers, your lockout buttons, and your mirror adjuster just above that. To the left of the driver's steering wheel, your interior lighting controls of your trip meter. Then below that, traction control, sport and eco buttons, your around view system for your parking sonar. I'll show you that in a second there as far as your blind spot monitoring, your forward collision prevention. Then of course you got your all-wheel drive lock, hill descent control, power liftgate buttons. And then you got a nice 6-way adjustable power driver's seat with lumbar support and fantastic perforated leather. So you're gonna be nice and comfortable no matter what. Now let's show off this little guy right here. This little light will light up when something's in your blind spot, and an audible sound will chirp when there is something in there, just in case you're trying to change lanes or something, so you don't sideswipe anybody, and it's for added safety. I mean, it's 2018. Time for ourselves to be able to have a safer vehicle without us having to sit there and be more situationally aware. So you can see right there, more of the same accents continue into the rear of the vehicle. And then of course you got a nice 60-40 split folding rear seat, or a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat, depending on what you need. And of course the center armrest right here just folds down as a pass-through, or cup holders and an armrest if you need it. Lastly, rear passengers benefit from added comfort with these rear air loops. Sitting behind the steering wheel now here in the 2016 Rogue, you can see it's a beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side are all your information audio system controls. Right-hand side is all your cruise control functions. And when you turn on your cruise control right there, you'll notice in your gauge cluster, you can see a couple of things, but one thing you can see is you'll always have your speed for your cruise control up there. And then right here, you can see you've got your blind spot monitor just right next to it, and then your forward collision prevention. So super cool. Actually, have used this personally. It stops, and like the brake will start applying before you even realize you're getting into a collision. So super safe, super helpful system. One of the best features I think in this vehicle. This vehicle is also equipped with a Bose premium audio system. So you've got 11 or 13 speakers, I believe, strategically placed around the vehicle for added sound to make it sound like you're in some sort of stereo concert surround. Now into your infotainment area and your climate control systems. Let's start with the bottom up. First, climate control, really easy to use. You got a dual system right here. It's going to be able to two knobs for driver and passenger to be able to select their preferred air temperature. Auto button right here is going to take care of blasting air wherever it thinks it needs to and turning on and off the recirculator as you desire. If you want to turn off auto, all you got to do is just adjust the fan speed and that'll turn that off. As well too, your mode button will take care of adjusting where those little modes are, but again, press the auto button and it's going to figure out where best to do that for you. My pet. Now, just above that there, you got a nice big 7-inch screen here for your navigation system, one of the really easiest navigation systems to use. Start typing in a street address. So first we'll start typing something in. You notice Ontario is really easy to grab, but let's start typing in, say, Ottawa. So we'll start with the O, and then you'll notice that these things start to gray out here so that you can't actually touch them. Makes it easier for you to be able to do it. Once it has enough information, it's actually going to select that for you. So pretty cool there. You also get AM and FM presets, Sirius XM satellite radio, auxiliary inputs that support Apple devices via USB, USB memory sticks, Bluetooth audio streaming, and more. There's not really much more, actually. That's it. I was lying. I'm sorry. Just below that though, that's where you're going to see your USB and auxiliary ports, and then of course your extra lighter there for power if you need it. That's what your shifter looks like. Just behind that, all your cup holders and your heated seat buttons. That's going to be what your auto-dimming rear view mirror looks like. Just behind that, spot for shades, all your interior lighting controls, your sunroof controls, and your SOS button is part of your Nissan Connected Drive services. And then just behind that, you can see that's going to be what your sunroof looks like. That's been a quick tour of our 2016 Nissan Rogue SL, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you on the road soon, I hope.